Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 22nd, 2025, and we're taking a look at Ethereum, ETHUSD, and what's been going on with it, both in terms of news and events, and what our charts are telling us. First, let's recap some of the recent headlines. Ethereum is currently trading around $2,370 to $2,541, showing a slight increase in the past 24 hours, but down from a week ago. We've also seen news around Vitalik Buterin proposing partially stateless nodes to improve accessibility, the Pectra upgrade aiming to attract institutions, and the Ethereum Foundation launching a security initiative. Base, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, is testing flash blocks to reduce block times. Now let's get into the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we can see Ethereum experience significant volatility recently, trading between $3,600 and $3,800. However, we've pulled back, recently dropping to around $2,500. Let's narrow down to a more recent period to see how the price has been behaving lately. Zooming in, we can observe a large spike in price on May 20th and 21st, followed by a pullback. The bears are testing the bulls, and we are seeing ETH find support around $2,500. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a more granular view. The 1-hour chart shows the sharp decline following the news of Bitcoin's crash, mentioned by Nasdaq, impacting the crypto market and also Ethereum. We're seeing a lot of choppiness, indicating uncertainty in the short term. Notice how the price briefly rebounded towards $2,600 before falling again, suggesting that level is acting as short-term resistance. Now let's zoom into the 15-minute chart to analyze price action closer. We can also see the volatility play out in the 15-minute chart. Let's take a look at the most recent candles. Currently, ETH seems to be stabilizing after experiencing a drop, with some analysts believing that it could retest the trendline resistance to $3,000 in the next few months, assuming the market sentiment improves significantly. However, without a rise in buying volume, there's a higher probability of a range-bound trade or short-term correction, potentially retesting support around the $2,400 level. In summary, key price levels to watch are resistance around $2,600 and support around $2,400. A break above $2,600 with strong volume could signal a bullish continuation towards $3,000. A failure to hold the $2,400 support level could lead to further downside. Keep an eye on news regarding the Pectra upgrade and Ethereum Foundation security initiatives, as these could act as catalysts.